Hi, I'm Michelle Bulbring, the Vice President of StarBoard Solutions. We're based in Berlin. We've got our team members here, so I'll pass you over to Arthur.
Hi guys, my name is Arthur, the account manager for StarBoard.
And we'll talk a bit about our product. Basically, this is a 75-inch ultra-slim IFPD, interactive flat panel. It's the slimmest frame in the market. If you have a look at this frame, it almost mimics capacitive touch, yet it's not capacitive touch. It's actually using IR. So it's pretty incredible. If you look at the side of the product as well, you'll see the body of the product is really nothing slimmer in the market that can come close to this, apart from in-glass technology at more than double or triple the price. So our price-performance ratio is absolutely phenomenal on this product. Arthur, if you want to talk a bit about our product, software.
Yeah, as we have our hardware, we have a StarBoard own software. Let's go through a little bit. As soon as we enter here, it's already the StarBoard software, which is very good for education. All of here, if you're a geography teacher, chemistry, biology, you have a lot of functions and photos and all of that. We've got also sign recognitions that make it easier to teach and make the classes interactive. So, and also for the teachers and customers that will be using that, they can do it at home and bring to the classroom with their own softwares. So, yeah, that's a very helpful tool. Yeah.
Thank you very much. And the website is www.starboard-solutions.eu.